Sophia the Fierce was started during 9-year-old Sophia Benintendi's strong, brave, courageous fight against cancer. She sadly passed away. But the nonprofit was recently crowned the winner of the 2024 Cellino Plumbing Truck Wrap contest. To tell us about that, right now we are joined by Cristina Benintendi and Jill Marie Jardina from Sophia the Fierce, Lucas Cellino, president of Cellino Plumbing, and Kimberly LaRussa of Sweet Buffalo. Everyone, thank you so much for coming in tonight.
Thank you.
Thanks. This is super exciting. I will talk to you guys in just a bit, but first I want to start with you, Lucas. Tell us a little bit about this awesome contest that you guys have been doing for, what, 7 years now?
Yeah. So it's a lot of fun. You know, we started off, we wanted to find a way to give back to the community, and quickly learned there's a lot of nonprofits around there, and we need some help to narrow it down. So now we follow March Madness. We do a big bracket. 64 nonprofits start out. Gets all the way down to the final 2, and then we bring them into a company meeting, and they're the coworkers of Cellino Plumbing vote. And this year we obviously chose Sophia the Fierce.
And it is really great, you know, that this highlights the amazing nonprofits we have here in Western New York, including Sophia the Fierce. How does it feel to be chosen as the 2024 winner?
You know, it's a complete honor, and I just want to say thank you to Lucas and Cellino Plumbing for this opportunity. It raises a lot of awareness, and that is one of the big things that Sophia the Fierce is about, is raising awareness for childhood cancer, because it's not rare.
Yeah, and that's what I was going to ask you. You know, you raise awareness. What are some of the things you do with Sophia the Fierce?
Number one thing, we make our warriors smile. That was a big thing that Sophia loved to do. The community made Sophia smile, and she recognized that and always wanted to give that back.
And Cristina, I feel like every time I have you on, I can't help but talk about Sophia's smile, because it was just so big and bright and contagious. So it's amazing that her legacy lives on through this. Kimberly, I'll bring you on. Sweet Buffalo Rocks was also last year's winner of this truck wrap contest. What difference has it made to you in Sweet Buffalo Rocks?
Oh, it's made such a difference. A lot of the surprises we've done here on Channel 4 were thanks to Cellino Plumbing and the truck wrap contest. We've made such a difference for the kids, so that's why I am so excited for Sophia the Fierce, and I already know what they're going to do for these children to bring them the biggest smiles and so much more. So such a deserving charity. I'm so happy for them.
And what will this allow you guys to be able to do for future events?
Well, our mission is threefold. It's respite, research, and relief, and we're so excited for this money to go towards the respite portion of our mission. Sophia, when she started Sophia the Fierce herself, she was most excited about having a house, a private retreat where families could go and just spend time together, to roast marshmallows, sit around the fire, play board games, and have the run of a house to themselves. And we want to provide that, and we're so honored to have Cellino and the support of the community to do that for Sophia's legacy and for all the warriors in Western New York.
Beautifully said. And this is called the Truck Wrap Contest. So there includes a truck wrap. Tell us, for those who don't know, if they are unfamiliar for the past years, how the design aspect works, what the work cut out for them will look like in the coming days or so.
Well, this is my second time getting to be around Cristina today, as we went to VSP earlier, and we go, VSP wraps all of our trucks. Every year they graciously donate the wrap. At this point, I don't even ask Trace. We just kind of invite ourselves in. But yeah, it's really fun. They had all of our past ones laid out there. They'll ask her, you know, hey, do you like any aspects from these? She talked about a lot of different designs that you want to incorporate in there. So we like to overwhelm them with a bunch of stuff, and they got great artists there that'll kind of put it together, and you know, we'll take a look at it, and I'm sure there'll be a few revisions, but it is really fun getting that truck designed, for sure.
I love it. When can we expect the big reveal? I know you guys have some events coming up. What are the big plans in the works?
So our number one event is Sophia's lemonade stand. She started that lemonade stand, and we continue her legacy by doing that lemonade stand every year. This year it's going to be on August 17th at the Main Transit Fire Hall, and that is when we'll do the big truck wrap reveal.
So stay tuned for that. Cristina, Jill Marie, I'm sure we're going to bring you back on to talk about that when it gets closer. I, for one, can't wait to see what the big design looks like. It is so deserving. Congratulations to you guys and everyone else with Sophia the Fierce. And thank you for what you do. Thanks for coming on tonight, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
All right, coming up, the first Jason Arnold Memorial Ride takes